Welcome to the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 in black. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the ZR2, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, shifter can be found in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the ZR2, starting off with the 18-inch gloss black aluminum wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors with LEDs, ZR2 badges on the fenders, Duramax badges on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, bow tie cutout in the center of the grille, ZR2 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, step assists are installed, bed covers also installed. At the back of the vehicle, you have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, towing packages installed, Silverado, black toe bow tie, and ZR2 badging all on the multi-pro tailgate. Heading back inside the ZR2, back seats here have in-seat storage. They're also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split with under-seat storage. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have the heated leather seats controls and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.